Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to download all photos and videos from Google Photos in just one click. Before we start, you need to make sure that you sign in your account on Google. Now first, all you need to do is tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. And then from here, all you need to do is tap this Manage Your Google Account. And then right from here, you need to go to data and privacy. So you just tap this one and then scroll down until you find that options where you can go to the Google services. So right here on apps and services, tap this content saved from Google services. Then right here on Google dashboard, you need to scroll down and find all the Google photos, all saved photos on Google. So right here, as you can see, I have 4 photos. Now to download all the photos and videos, all you need to do is just click this download button. And once you click this one, you will directly go here on Google Takeout. Now here, you need to make sure that you check this box and just tap this next step. And then right here, you can now change the destination if you want to download via email or download via Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Box. So you just have to choose that one and then choose this export once. Then choose the zip file right here. And then once you've done, you can now tap this create report. And then Google will send the link or the files on your email. So just check that out. And you can download all the photos and videos from your Google Photos. So that's how you basically download that all in just one click. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.